291, let's go. Top level variables, new function, initialize one. We're going to set this anytime we're done with the multi-step initialization for a subsystem. Art Deca system, the multi-step initializer function, we're just going to flag it as being done with all its work. The Art Gola system, same idea. Stub in the multi-step initializer function, flag all of its work as done. In this weird spot above the client game functions and beneath server game, here's our multi-step initializer management code. If everything is not done initializing, we're going to step into here. And if one system has flagged itself as done, we're going to reset this one done flag, increment to the next subsystem, and reset the internal system step counter. Little temporary variable to shorten our lines of code. If the subsystem being initialized is negative, we're going to hop to the first system, which is indexed at 0, reset the internal counter. If we're at the first system, that's going to be associated with the Art Deca system, and we're going to enter this function multiple times, right? And we're going to end up calling this multiple times in a row until this function sets this flag, and we end up going to the next subsystem. Then we're going to end up here. We're going to call this multiple times in a row until this flag gets set again. We increment to the next system. We end up here, and then we flag everything as done initializing. And this is an error if we end up here. In ClyGameTick, that's where we're going to call this, and it's also wrapped with this INI all guard because the most common case is for us not to be initializing. Also, we want this function to look a little bit different than this group of functions because it's kind of a special tick function. Our to-dos in the to-do section, what we did previously, and then footnotes, and what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on this playlist right here. You can get the source code for this video here. You can email me here. You've been on video 291. Like, subscribe, send money.